Welcome to Haitian Creole Word of the Day with Luciano.
Virus. Virus.
Virus.
Définition.
Definition.
Se yon tip de jem ki ka koze maladi. Se yon tip de jem ki ka koze maladi.
A kind of germ that can cause disease.
Exemple.
Examples.
Virus corona danger en pile. Virus corona danger en pile.
Coronavirus is very dangerous.
Jacques attrape yon virus. Jacques attrape yon virus.
Jack caught a virus.
Virus pi piti lontan ki bakteri. Virus pi piti lontan ki bakteri.
Viruses are much smaller than bacteria.
Synonyme.
Synonyms.
J'aime. J'aime.
Germ.
Microbe. Microbe.
Microbe.
Infection. Infection.
Infection.
Maladie. Maladie.
Disease.